Okay, got a problem here. Been getting a clunk when acceleration when I go on to get on the gas or let off. I've been getting this clunk in my transmission. Thought maybe it was the clutch pressure plate, but as you can see, if you can see real close, how much this thing moves. I mean, that's way too much play. What was happening is when you turn this thing, you can see that thing when pressure is applied to it. It's putting the axle in the bind, because that's why I kept hearing it in this side. Depending how I turn my wheel, I'd feel it in either side, but it's because I was putting more pressure on it. I mean, that thing's really moving. And I would say that's a differential bearing. That is my take. I've never split one of these, so I would say that's what it is. But that bearing right there, I mean, you can see it's like, it's bad. So anybody got any comments?